Hello, welcome to Ball 360 TV. In this channel, we upload videos about NBA. In this video, we will discuss the current team standings, November 18, 2024, and the games to be played tomorrow, November 19, 2024. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and press the like button to help our channel grow. Here is the current team standings for the Eastern Conference. The number one team is the Cleveland Cavaliers with 15-0 record. Number two is the Boston Celtics with 11-3 record on their two-game winning streak. Number three is the Orlando Magic with 8-6 record and on their five-game winning streak. Number four is the New York Knicks with 7-6 record and on their two-game winning streak. Detroit Pistons climbed to number 5 spot with 7-8 record and on their two-game winning streak. Number 6 is the Indiana Pacers with 6-7 record. Number 7 is the Atlanta Hawks, 6-8 record. Number 8, Miami Heat, 5-7 record. Number 9, Charlotte Hornets, 5-8 record. And number 10, Brooklyn Nets with 5-9 record and on their three-game losing streak. The number 11 is the Chicago Bulls with 5-9 record and on their two-game losing streak. Number 12 is the Milwaukee Bucks, 4-9 record. 13 is the Washington Wizards, 2-10 record and on their 8-game losing streak. Number 14 is the Philadelphia 76ers with 2-10 record and on their three-game losing streak. And number 15 team is the Toronto Raptors with 2-12 record and on their seven-game losing streak. And now, here's the team standings for the Western Conference. The number one team is the Golden State Warriors with 11-2 record and on their three-game winning streak. Number two is the Oklahoma City Thunder, 10-3 record. Rockets climbed to number 3 spot with 10-4 record and on their five-game winning streak. Number 4 is the Los Angeles Lakers, 9-4 record on their five-game winning streak. Phoenix Suns slide to number 5 with 9-5 record and on their three-game losing streak. Number 6 is the Denver Nuggets, 7-5 record. Number 7 is the Minnesota Timberwolves with 8-6 record. Number 8 is the Memphis Grizzlies with 8-6 record. Number 9, Sacramento Kings with 8-6 record. And number 10, Dallas Mavericks, 7-7 record and on their two-game winning streak. Number 11 is Los Angeles Clippers, 7-7 record. Number 12, San Antonio Spurs, 6-8 record, two-game losing streak. Number 13 is the Portland Trail Blazers, 6-8 record, three-game winning streak. 14, New Orleans Pelicans, 4-10 record. And number 15 is the Utah Jazz, 3-10 record and on their two-game losing streak. And here are the games to be played tomorrow, November 19, 2024. Will the Chicago Bulls, led by Nikola Vucevic, and the two-game winning streak of Detroit Pistons, led by Cade Cunningham? Who will be back in the win column as Paul George in the 76ers face Tyler Hero in the Miami Heat at 8:30 a.m.? Jordan Poole in the Wizards will try to end their 8-game losing streak against New York Knicks, led by Jalen Brunson in Madison Square Garden at 8:30 a.m. Pascal Siakam and the Indiana Pacers will try to win back-to-back games as they visit RJ Barrett and the Toronto Raptors in Scotiabank Arena at 8:30 a.m. Alperen Sengun and the Rockets will try to extend their winning streak against Giannis Antetokounmpo and the struggling Bucks in Fiserv Forum at 9 a.m. Franz Wagner and the Orlando Magic will visit Devin Booker in the slumping Suns to extend their winning streak to 6 at 10 a.m. The number 7 Atlanta Hawks, led by Trae Young, will play the number 9 Kings, led by Domantas Sabonis, in Golden One Center at 11 a.m. And Stephen Curry and the Warriors will try to bounce back against James Harden-led Clippers in Crypto.com Arena at 11:30 a.m. If you like the video, consider to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. Thank you.